Someone is coming towards you with an apology. Someone is coming towards you with an offer. An apology and the offer is coming towards you because finally someone is getting the justice done. You are like universe is actually serving you justice now. I feel like this is a person, this is energy, this is a person whom you were pouring your energies, whom you were pouring yourself, your love, your care. You were mothering them. No matter whether you are a boy or girl, this is totally timeless reading, okay? Someone is actually regretting their decisions of not treating you right. Someone is actually regretting their decisions of not giving you the time, not giving you the energies that you are made of, because you were pouring yourself out, you were pouring all your energies, your care, you were basically mothering them. Even if you are a boy, you were mothering, you were giving so much care, attention 24/7. You were available to this person 24/7, and this person was taking your attention for granted. Please ignore the background voices, okay? And when they were, and you know what, when they were taking you for granted, you finally took the step back, you finally realized your worth, you finally take a stand for yourself, okay? And now I feel like you guys are in a no contact situation, okay? You are not giving attention to this person, and that is why they are having so much sleepless nights. See, the Nine of Swords. They are having so much sleepless nights, and especially at the night time, evening time, night time, their current feelings, their current, thought process is like this, so much full of regression, full of thinking about you. They can't fully take you out from their head, especially when they are going to the sleep. They are having so much sleepless nights because they keep on thinking about you. And this is not a random thing, by the way. This is not a random feeling, this is not a random thing, because the justice is here. See, whenever you always heard about that quote that when you let universe do its part, universe will take care of the things automatically, and that is what exactly happening in this connection. I feel like you done your part, you done your caring, you have given so much attention, you have given so much energy, time, effort. For some people it also money as well. For some people you have actually put your money also in this relationship with this person, okay? But this person will always took you for granted. They never fully served you, behaved well with you, right? And when you let this person do his or her own thing, and you took a step back, you actually started pouring all those energy, efforts in yourself. Now you let universe do the rest. Basically, you let universe handle the things for you, and this is what universe is doing. When universe, god, energy, angel, whatever you want to call it, basically the energy, when they do the things, this is how people will regret their actions. And you know why this person is feeling in this certain way? Because in the past, when they were in a relationship or connection with you, they thought the kind of energy or the kind of emotional attachment you had with this person, they thought like you are not the one that will abandon them, or maybe you are not the one who will leave them. Because I feel like at this right, in this current moment, you are a bit cold towards them. Okay, your energy is a bit cold towards them. Okay, because you're not, paying that much attention. You are not that much, bothered about their existence. All of a sudden, I just don't know why. And they can feel it, they can sense it, they can feel it, whether you know it or not. We as a human being, we always kind of wired with it, with a unseen wireless connection. We call it telepathy, or the frequencies, right? So they feel it. They can sense the detachment from your side. And this is exactly what's happening. They basically, the karma is returning to this person. And let me tell you, of course they are regretting their decisions. Okay, of course they are regretting everything they did in past for you. The apology is coming, they are coming towards you with an apology. At the same time, with that apology, they will going to give you an offer, the love offer, because they want a new fresh start with you. Because you were, oh my god, the hermit, because you were the kind of energy, or maybe the kind of emotional fulfillment, or the love, the passion, compassion, the understanding, basically the kind of bond that you created with this person. This is, they can't feel, they can't have it with anybody else. Okay, and now they want that same level of depth again with you in this connection. So along with an apology, an offer is also coming for you. But with the hermit, as I told you before, that you are a bit cold towards them. Okay, your energies are a bit cold towards them. And same, hermit is there. This is your energy, the people who are watching this. I just feel like you are not in a zone to take any sort of action when it comes to this relationship. You are not willing to put any efforts or take any action towards this person or in this relationship, because I feel like you have had enough, right? You have had enough. And for most of the people, I don't feel that you're going to give them any judgment. Major arcanas, too many major arcanas. So this connection, this whole thing was meant to happen. Okay, this is not random. The the meeting of both of you, coming in relationship, then the attachment issues, then leaving this person, the breakup thing, and now again reconciliation sort of thing. This is not a coincidence, or you can say this relationship is not a coincidence. This was meant to happen, because we have the judgment. Okay, listen to me. Bottom of the deck, we have 10 of cups and the wheel of fortune and the judgment. So this is more of like an energy where I'm sensing that universe is testing you. Universe is finally testing you, the people, the people who are watching this, because because I feel like, as we have hermit, and previously I told you that you finally took the step back, you are realizing your self-worth, okay, and you are kind of being feeling very happy and content within yourself lately, and you are introspecting in yourself, you're introspecting in your life, okay. And so basically, this okay, so what exactly I'm sensing over here with the 10 of pentacles and wheel of fortune. See, you are about to quantum leap, you are about to move ahead, okay. And the wheel of fortune is not a very small, it's like a 360-degree angle. Your life is going to change, your life is going to shift. A massive shift is coming in 360-degree angle. And before that, okay, universe is testing you through this person again, because this is a kind of final test, or maybe a kind of final calling for you, where universe actually wanted to see whether you are prepared or not for this abundance, for this massive shift, for the things that you have been praying for the things that you have been manifesting lately, right? And I feel like, from relation to a massive financial abundance, this is a sort of journey from where you have been betrayed in your relationships, and now all of a sudden you are eventually quantum leaping towards a bigger financial abundance. So this was a karmic relation sort of thing, okay, for most of the people. Yes, this was a karmic relation. And if you still deny it, or maybe if you still give this person a chance, or if you still um, entertain this person, you will going to pause this massive abundance, this massive wealth abundance. Basically, you will going to put a pause on this. Basically, universe wanted to see that have you learned your lesson or not. And this was the lesson of emotional abandonment, where you will not emotionally depend on somebody. Because see, not only in relationship, even with your finances, if you are emotionally fully secured in yourself, right, and when you are fully authentic in your nature, that is when you will going to succeed in life, especially in terms of your finances, because finance, money, is also an energy. Money and energy always keep on flowing. So when you want abandon yourself, when you do not disrespect yourself, your feelings, or the way you feel about certain people, because when you show the people like these, who will always try to abandon you, who will always try to play with your feelings, you automatically, indirectly, you show universe like, this is how I want things to be, and that eventually impact your finances. So this is a very, very a massive test for you, whether you have learned your lesson or not. And if you have learned your lesson, you are respecting yourself enough to move away, walk away from the narcissistic people or the toxic, abusive people. Universe will eventually give you the abundance. Let me know in the comment section. Bye bye.